I have a multifaceted background in real estate, ranging from finance, new construction and development, and investing. So I incorporate all those elements into my real estate sales business, which I believe gives me the upper hand and gives me a foundation and knowledge base that, quite frankly, most agents don't have. Most people I sit down with, I tell them not what they want to hear, I tell them what they need to hear. I only list homes that I know I can sell. Things don't always go according to plan. It's just having the mental fortitude and capacity to be able to say, okay, I still see the results that we need to get, and then make those micro adjustments to still hit those results. The biggest benefit of working with me is, number one, the exposure that your property will have on the open market. Number two, it's the access to a global network and a large buyer pool that are specifically looking for properties in the Hamptons. People need a place to call home, and people need a place to create experiences. I think I love making an impact on people more so than I do real estate.